What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fix It Rick. My name is Ricky Burrows and we have Mr. Pumpkin here. In today's video, I am going to be showing you exactly what you need to do in order to get your cat to not do this. See how he's not biting it? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And so here it is. It's a hand soap, and that's it. I rub it all over my power cables, my guitar cables. What cats do naturally is they sniff it first, and if it smells funky, it smells weird, they won't go chew it, they won't eat it, they won't do nothing. This technique works beautifully. And I also put this on wallpaper because I saw that he was playing with it and it started ripping off the wallpaper. So any dish soap will get the job done. But if you're curious about the one that I'm using, it's Meyer's Clean Day Basil Scent. You can go to your local store and get it. Or if you want to support this channel, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and buy it. Alright, so with that being said, see how he does not like that citrus scent? He won't go anywhere near that. And that's how you keep your cat safe from chewing on any electrical cables. If you found that this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below saying how cute this little cat is. Thanks for watching Fix It Rick. My name is Ricky Burrows, and always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and only He can solve your biggest problem.